Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to list all channels on Slack. So first, if you want to organize it on the left side or this panel, so as you can see it's right here, you can click on the channel name right here, and just click on manage or show insert right here. Click on it or hover on it, and as you can see you could organize it to mentions only, to by most recent, or by priority. But if you want to see all of your channels, just hover to manage and click on browse channels, and this will pop up, and you can see all of the channels are here, or just your channels or other channels, and you could also see your archived channels here. So external archives, you could filter it out, or you could also put the organization, the private ones. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. So next one.